Bollinger Bands, and we said this would really work well in case of sideways trend stock. And with sideways trend stock, we were, yes, that is what we were about to enter, and ITC was the one which gave me a heart attack, and now ITC Limited. Okay, now how do I take a Bollinger Band on this? See, visually can you see sideways trend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole time, see how the Bollinger Band is here. Then what do I do? Indicators. Bollinger Bands. Right? Press, close. See this, we call this as a squeeze. Bollinger Band squeeze. Sell, buy. Sell, buy. Right now? Sell, what is it? Okay. Where are we right now? Near the buy zone. Right? Not exactly what it is, but 1, 2, 3. And is this like a hammer also? Like a hammer. Not exactly not an exact hammer, but somewhere like a hammer. So, possible from here. So, this is like the standard deviation line. 2x, 2x. HIL, one more stock. I'll show you proper squeeze and breakout.
पालक की सब्जी मेन होती है कि पालक की सब्जी हरी कोई भी सब्जी खाते हैं.
You understand squeeze and breakout now? Yes. So from what 15th June to almost end of July. So if it were to qualify for a Bollinger Band squeeze and breakout, so it's like a snake and doing okay. So that squeeze has to happen for at least 1 month to be qualified as a squeeze. You can't say 4-day squeeze. That's not a squeeze. Okay. So if you want to write down what do we mean by a Bollinger Band squeeze, that the stock is in a sideways trend in the squeeze for almost for minimum 1 month. Stock is in a squeeze. In bracket sideways for minimum 1 month.
जो मैं अपने हिसाब से करना वो तो मैं करवा ही रही हूँ पर मैं पूछा स्पेशल तो नहीं.
And then there is what? Then there is a breakout. So this breakout will give you very quick returns, sharp returns. So if you can see here, there was a squeeze for almost 2 months, and then there was a breakout. If someone would have entered at this breakout, see within next 3 or 4 days what has happened? 1, how much percentage return? Then you look upward, look at the price. 2% return, 2.5 almost, 6.5. Wow. So generally 5 to 8% SA will there is a nice squeeze and breakout. Many times, again, in many cases of failure also yes, but many times you get a handsome return and quick return in case of maybe squeeze and breakout. Any other stock anyone knows? If you are seeing specific stock, no? NTPC. So this is again in a range, correct? And here you can see a breakout. Wait. Wow. So this did not, so it broke, but went into a little bit sideways. But then again, 1, this is 4%, 2, this is almost 6.5%. So almost 10% in 2 days after that. So Bollinger Band squeeze and breakout is really effective. Any other stock? Huh? SG. Z Entertainment. Wow. Here, what has happened is we are seeing all different types, huh? Squeeze. But this broke out pretty late actually. This is actually the mouth has already opened and then it is giving a breakout. It's not happening here. I would love if it is happening here. So a little bit different. You're getting the difference between the previous one and this one? The breakout itself opens up the jaws. Here what is happening, the jaws already open and then you can see this big breakout candle. Then kind of sideways. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days sideways and what is this? Something wrong, huh? Really? Or was that the merger news? Sony and Z merger news वाला रहेगा ये. 31. I see again I'm telling you, Bollinger Band squeeze and breakout will give you 1-2 जो candle मिलेंगे that will give you amazing returns. One more. Tilaknagar Industries. North side people Tilaknagar Industries. Pune people Tilaknagar Industries. Okay. Wow. ये क्या दिसता है ना? समझ दिसता है. So look at the squeeze 16th August 21 to almost 11th October roughly. 8th, 11th, 9th October almost. So September 2 month squeeze. Break. So ideally you might have bought at this level or maybe at this level, a breakout. So 43 roughly. Correct now? Squeeze and breakout. You enter at the breakout candle. So this is a questionable breakout. Very much there. This is a breakout for sure. So the close of this candle is at 43. Correct? You got next day only 5%. Can you see on the top 4.9%? Can you see one more candle here? 2 days 10% over. If someone wants, that person could have got out. Then there's a big red. Acha, I got out. And then look at this. 4%, 5%. Upper. This is called as walking on the band. It's just walking on the upper band continuously. Okay, let's go further and further. Oh, this time it's a downward breakout. Bollinger Band lower broken out. And see, this was the first candle where it broke out precisely. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shabbas. But still it is above the original breakout price. Huh? If you remember, it was somewhere around 30 to 43. This is still 52 something. Okay? Yes. Bollinger Band, understood the logic? Don't go by the old Bollinger Band. I don't like that. Buy low, sell high. That's like you're playing for 2% and 3%. If you want to play the Bollinger Band, play for the squeeze and breakout. That will give you quick money. तभी तो quick money चाहिए ना. Long term investment is there, but this is entertainment. For entertainment, you want quick money. Okay? Did you squeeze breakout? Here. Why do you need a prediction? You can see it directly. Oh, you are saying that we are witnessing a squeeze. Bata is. I'm not sure whether you can we get a filter for this? For Bollinger Band squeeze, I really doubt. We have to try and see certain filters like the stock is between this and this range for On charting, we can see that, right? We'll try and see. We'll try and figure out on the charting website tomorrow. अरे काय has to? Oh, sorry. नहीं हाथ स्टॉक है. अच्छा खालती होतो. करंट काय आहे? Hmm. 18th April. This is hardly a 1 month squeeze. But it has broken this. So again, this is a clear cut stay away. Enough examples, huh? We can otherwise just keep on hunting for more and more. This is just you have to play with it, that's it. At least 100 charts. Then you get it. Okay? No. But short term, once it has broken out, it's a short term trade. You'll get easy 10% to मिलना with the Bollinger Band squeeze and breakout. No. I have never seen work. So, yes. No, but in that case, it will be. So, whenever you are saying that it's like a 1 month is equal to 30 days data, there will be 31 minute candles or 35 minute candles, whatever you are saying. Oh my god, which is this? Himadri specialty. Those who have done FA 1.2. Himadri specialty chemicals. Rodolfo was talking about it. This is the one for which I have done fundamental analysis and it just refused to go up. See the squeeze? It is in the squeeze only. It is in the squeeze only. For such a long time. This was quite a long squeeze. 7th May 20. Wow, to August 20. So full breakout. Khatam, 10% directly, next day only 10%. Even if you enter here at 10% candle, still next day also 10%. More than enough. Khatam. I told you the Bollinger Band squeeze and breakout, you get 8 to 10 get out. Don't even bother anything. Why do you want to wait? One day, who's going to give you 1 day 10%? Keep that target only for 8 to 10%. In quick time, get out. Squeeze. Kind of you can say, but this is a very small time period, 17 December, and also still not even 1 month. So otherwise you can say because it is history. But right now it's not in our body, it's a past database side. But yeah, no? Okay. Cosmo Films also. Which is this Cosmo Films in November 21. Cosmo Films. Correct. See? From almost 14th October to this 13th January. This is almost where it has broken out. One candle 9.5%. I think you have gotten many examples. More than enough. With that, let us move on with last small 1 or 2 parameters. You're already done with Fibonacci? You're already done with pivot? So, pivot. ADX. Okay, so ADX again is a speedometer only. This is like copy paste RSI. Very much like RSI. Okay, so here if you just want to write down one liner, ADX above 25 and ADX nearing 50. ADX below 25 so you can write down. 3 cases right now. It's only that the speed is different for RSI and ADX. Both are momentum indicators only. Both are momentum indicators, okay? ADX above 25 shows strong momentum. So ideally, whatever direction it is, it will go fast. Okay? That is the ADX parameter. Generally, this is the black line. By default, I guess it's the black line. I'll show you on trading also. Then ADX almost, if it is nearing 50, it is getting tired. Where was RSI getting tired? At 80. ADX gets tired at 50 only. So here, we can see some kind of resistance. Resistance for price or for speed. Resistance for speed. So from here, there can be a reversal in the speed. It might, whatever is the case. If it is going down, it will start going down slowly. And if it is going up, now it will start going up slowly. So it's a resistance for speed. And below 25, low momentum. Okay? Have you written this down? Yes. Now there is just this plus DMI and minus DMI. Okay, plus DMI again is a blue line, minus DMI is an orange line. Okay. If you remember, we have orange line and blue line somewhere else also. MACD, okay? And if you remember, I said MACD blue line crossing orange line. Upward trend actually is the same. Plus DMI crosses minus DMI, upward trend. And ulta, negative trend. Same. Okay. So ADX in trading, I'll show you examples so that you are much more clearer. Okay, can I cancel Bollinger Band right now? Yes. And in indicators, I'll press DMI, directional movement indicator. The name itself says, no? It's a directional movement indicator. So, by the way, you can also type ADX, but ADX will only tell you place, nothing else. ADX is what? Average directional index, the one which is there in our notes. You can see ADX, I'm also teaching you one above that. So, if you want to check ADX here, I'll first put only ADX. Here you can see the momentum being 25, nothing special. Okay, from here to here I can show you, 1 minute. I'll just close off RSI, I'll close off MACD. Now, if you want to focus on the chart, can I see this move is pretty sharp, correct? And here you can see the ADX from here, somewhere around here, 25. Can you see the ADX 24, 25, whatever? And this big green candle has actually taken it upwards. Can you see this big green candle also? This one. And here what is RSI 22? Sorry, ADX is, can you see ADX number? Right there. It's changing right now, see, in the red, correct? Here, for my viewers, online viewers. Okay, chalo. So from here you can see it has moved up to 22 and then it is going above 25 levels from here. And see the pace at which it has moved up, till 50. Can you see here 50? Now see the ADX falling and now it is going sideways. Correct, huh? So is ADX telling me direction or is it only telling me speed? It's only telling me speed. How will I get to know about direction? By the price action. Whichever direction it is going, it will just show me the speed of the direction. From here, if you are saying it has already reached its peak of 49.5, it means the speed is going to go down. This speed of upward journey is going down means it is going to go into sideways trend. Have you understood this? It can also go to downfall. You can even have to see some price action then. But then, if the ADX is dropping, will the downfall be sharp or downfall will also be slow? Everyone. There is a downfall. Okay, everyone please pay attention. Now you can see as per price action, it is, you see an evening star basically. Okay, and you see ADX is dropping. Means that will fall as per price action, but the fall will be slowly because the speed at which it is going is drying up. So downfall will continue, but it will continue slowly. I'll give you another example. ADX is 25, 26, 27, whatever. Okay, it's picking up fast. And you see an evening star. You're able to visualize or not able to visualize? So I'm saying ADX is, let us say, ADX has already moved from 25 to 30. ADX is already showing speed momentum. And you see an evening star. Is it going to fall? Time pass करके fast fall. Sharp fall is possible. And here instead of ADX from 25 to 30, it is at 50. Slowly it will go sideways, then it will fall, then again sideways, then it will fall, something like that. So through which you can understand at what pace the things will happen. But pure ADX is only showing pace, nothing else. Now if you are wanting to that, along with pace, I need direction also. Then ADX will not work. Instead of ADX, then you have to choose, correct, you have to choose DMI. And what is DMI? It's a momentum indicator only, but it's a momentum indicator along with direction. So it will tell us in which direction and at what speed. DMI. It might not be there in the notes. So you can just write down DMI. I'll change the color. See here I can see something. First I'll switch off the black line. Black line is the speed color line. So I'll ADX basically. So what is DMI? ADX plus direction. ADX is what? Speed. And DMI may plus DI and minus DI. DI is direction index. Let me just switch off the speed right now for 1 minute. Okay. This is entangled index. See here. Here there is a crossover. So blue crossing the orange. Same like MACD. Blue crossing orange is what? Positive. Now, okay, positive is going up, agreed. But now I'm also interested in the pace. And for that, will I turn on the ADX? Yes. Okay. Oh, look at the pace. So pace is also going up. In price action, should we see a sharp price or dire sideways, little bit upward sideways? Should we see a sharp price? Shall we check? Is that happening in the same way? We have to see from 19th July to roughly, ADX is actually here at 50. 19th July to 19th August roughly. 2 months from 19th July. Let's say. So time pass kar raha hai. Achha, 9. This was, I thought this is the 8th. 1 minute. Where is 19th July? Let's mark. This is 19th July. All to be. We're marking from here. We want to go 2 months. Huh? Almost here. Okay, now we want to see the percentage increase from bottom to top first. Wow, 22% returns in 1 month for a stock like Bharti Airtel. Why am I saying for a stock like Bharti Airtel? It's a very slow moving stock, if you know. How many of you track Bharti Airtel closely? Is it a very slow moving stock? It is very slow. It will fall also slowly, but it will go up also very slowly. Nifty has fallen by 12.5, 13%. This stock has refused to fall. It recently fell down. Till now it had fallen hardly 5%, 6%. Right now it is 9% down, still lesser than Nifty. And for a stock like Bharti Airtel to go up 22%, it's like ITC going up by 20% in 1 month. Calculate that. So what did DMI tell me? DMI told me the direction and pace. Now, we calculated till here, but let's go back to the origin also. Here, did it give a crossover here at this point? Yes. And where was the DMI? ADX was at 17. Okay, here it is somewhere around 25. So even if I catch it here at 25, which is the date 29th July to onwards, till this peak, 29th July, what was the price? Oh, this big green candle. This was the breakout for the ADX. From here, you can see the rise is also pretty sharp. Okay, so have you understood what is ADX, what is DMI? Last time without looking at the notes, ADX above 25. Strong momentum. Till 50. At 50 it is going to get tired. And the pace will start dropping. In which direction? We don't know if it is only ADX. For direction, you have to check DMI. Blue line crosses orange line from below. Bullish. Blue line crosses from above. Bearish. That is DMI. More than enough? Yes. Okay, we'll stop for the day. We are left with just 1 or 2 indicators. VWAP, anchor VWAP, and super trend. These are comparatively smaller ones, but right now absorbing will take a lot more time. Tomorrow we'll be able to sail through it very quickly. Okay? So thank you. Hey, have a good one. Thank you. I want you all to tell the charts of course, indicators. Check indicators. Okay? Try to put MACD, RSI on the charts. And you have, see, right now you will not see any MACD crossover. You filter that out, it is only a 1 foods. So you'll not find any MACD crossover right now. So MACD above, you get an MACD crossover plus RSI above 60. This combination, this is homework. MACD crossover plus RSI crosses above 60, almost same there. MACD bullish crossover and RSI above 60. Go back in history, in charts, and some historical data you should be able to tell me. Is this okay? Yes. So you put up any chart, just as an example how to do it. Shall I show you one example how to do it quickly? Yes, I'm just closing this. I'm shutting this down. Let me give you some different example. Any example that I've not taken till date. Okay, let me take something like, IRCTC, wow. IRCTC. Okay, quickly tell me how do I put RSI, MACD? Go to indicators, MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence. Now I also want RSI. RSI. I both. Okay, in RSI, if you are getting confused, go to the settings tab and you'll see so many tick marks. Keep only RSI tick. Close everything else if you are getting confused. Now here, try to see 60 ka range. Here I can see 60 ka range. Correct? Or you can't see. Over. Double click. This is 60. Almost 60, but it is going down, and from here it is coming back to 60. Okay, I want such a thing where it is going up also. So this is 25th August, roughly around 25th August. Can you see the date? Okay, 25th August, and I check for MACD. So 25th August, RSI gave me an indication. MACD is still not giving me an indication. I'll keep it on my radar, and it crosses on 2nd of September. So MACD gave me a late entry point as compared to RSI. But here, what has happened on 2nd of September? MACD crossed what has happened already, and how is RSI on 2nd September? Already 67. We are okay till 80, upper and 80. Okay, it's already 67. See the peak? Ooh. Okay, speed. And it was 2nd September, right? 2nd September, see the price action now. Little bit sideways, oh no. And if we had done it till only 80, we entered at 67, right? This is for September, all to be to 80 level is this, and I say enough, I'm done at 80. Okay, this is 2nd September to, it's only 6 days. 2nd September, now we'll check how much returns. 2nd September to 8th September. Huh? 25%. Even I'm surprised. Correct? Now we can say 1st September to 8th September. 2nd September, I'll take whatever. This is 2nd September, and this is 8th September, 22%. MACD plus RSI, it's a very nice strategy. So this is how I want to do, you want to do a backtesting. MACD goes above 60, MACD goes over, and RSI goes above 60, and see how much return you got in how many days. Get me 2 instances, per person 2 instances, and we'll discuss like today only. This will help you gain some more confidence, okay? We'll see you tomorrow, till then take care, Jai Hind, bye bye.